श्री सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा कर्णभारस्य अस्माभिः प्रथमः श्लोकः सम्यक्तया अधीतः यत्र नृसिंहस्य वर्णनम् अस्माभिः दृष्टं कथमस्ति एकवारं पुनः पश्यामः तम्। हम्म प्रसङ्गः एवम् आसीत् तत्र नान्दी नाम मङ्गलाचरणं सञ्जातं ततः अनन्तरं अ, सः सूत्रधारः एव अयं श्लोकं इदं श्लोकं वदति एतं श्लोकं नर नरमृगपतिवर्ष्मालोकनभ्रान्तनारी नरदनुजसुपर्वा नरदनुजसुपर्वव्रातपाताललोकः करजकुलिशपाली भिन्नदैत्येन्द्रवक्षाः सुररिपुबलहन्ता श्रीधरोऽस्तु श्रियेवः सः श्रीधरः वः श्रिये अस्तु वह नाम अस्माकं कल्याणाय भवतु। कः श्रीधरः? विपरीत क्रमेण यदि अधः उपरि गच्छामश्चेत् श्रीधरः श्रियं धरति इति श्रीधरः अस्तु श्रियेवः। कीदृशः श्रीधरः? सुररिपुबलहन्ता यः सुराणां रिपु वर्तते हिरण्यकश्यपु हिरण्यकश्यपूनां या सेना तां सेनां यः हन्ति तं बलं यः हन्ति अथवा तस्य बलस्य यः हन्ता वर्तते तादृशः सुररिपुबलहन्ता अस्माकं श्रिये भवतु अस्तु। पुनः एकं विशेषणं भगवतः नृसिंहस्य कृते पुनः अपरं विशेषणम् उपयुज्यते करजकुलिशपाली भिन्यदैत्येन्द्र वक्षा। करज नाम नखाः कीदृशाः नखाः वर्तन्ते तस्य कुलिश इव नाम वज्रम इव पाली तस्य कुलिज करज कुलिशस्य पाली अग्रभागः तेन भिन्न दैत्येन्द्र वक्षाः येन तादृशः नृसिंहः अस्माकं श्रिये भवतु। पुनः कीदृशः उच्यते नर मृगपति वर्ष्मालोकन भ्रांति नारी नरदनुज सुपर्व व्रात पाताल लोकः। एतत् सर्वम् अस्माभिः गतकक्षायामेव दृष्टमासीत्। अधुना अग्रे किञ्चित् सरामः। किम् अभूत् गतकक्षायां श्लोकानन्तरं तत्र अयम् आप्रविशति सूत्रधारः वदति एवम् आर्यमिश्रान् विज्ञापयामि अयि किन्नु खलु मयि विज्ञापन व्यग्रे शब्द एव श्रूयते। So while explaining, I am hearing something. What is that? Ang pashyami. Then he just act like this, and in Nepatya, in that curtain, something is, somebody is saying something. What he is saying? Bhoho, bhoho, nivedyatam, Maharaj Angeshwar. Now this line is uttered from curtain. So somebody is saying, Bhoho, bhoho, nivedyatam, Maharajaya Angeshwaraya. Now Sutradhara, okay, Bhavatu, Vijnatam. Now I understood what is going on. Then he says, Sangrame tumule jate karnaya karitanjalihi nivedayati sambhrantaha भृत्यो दुर्योधनाज्ञया। तो निवेदयति संभ्रान्तः भृत्यः निवेदयति पुनः कीदृशः भृत्यः कलिताञ्जलिः संभ्रान्तः भृत्यः निवेदयति कस्मै निवेदयति कर्णाय निवेदति कदा निवेदयति यत्र कुत्रापि सति सप्तम्याः उपयोगः दृश्यते सति सप्तमी सर्वदा समय दर्शनार्थम उपयुज्यते संग्रामे तु मूले जाति यथा मया पूर्वं पाठितम् आसीत् सति सप्तम्याः प्रयोगः कुत्र क्रियते इति चेत् रामे वनं गते सति दशरथः मृतः यदा रामः वनं गतः तदा दशरथः मृतः यदा तदा समयवाचक शब्दानां प्रयोगः यत्र क्रियते अथवा सति सप्तम्याः प्रयोगः समय प्रदर्शनार्थं क्रियते। कदा सः भृत्यः निवेदयति संग्रामे तु मूले जाते यदा संग्रामे महान् ध्वनिः सञ्जातः तदा दुर्योधनस्य आज्ञया दुर्योधनः उक्तवान् गच्छतु कर्णम् आह्वयतु तदा कलिताञ्जलिः सम्भ्रान्तः भृत्यः कर्णाय निवेदयति किं निवेदयति इति उक्त्वा सूत्रधारः ततः निष्क्रान्तः। अधुना साक्षात् तस्य सैनिकस्य भटस्य अत्र प्रवेशः भवति। प्रस्तावना। ततः प्रविशति भटः। भटः भोः भोः निवेद्यतां महाराज अंगेश्वराय। पुनः एतत्तु एषा पङ्क्ति तु पूर्वम् अपि प्रयुक्ता आसीत्। तत्र किञ्चित् ऐड् क्रियते, युद्धकालः उपस्थितः इति निवेद्यताम्। युद्धकालः आरब्धः, युद्धकालः उपस्थितः, एतत् करणाय महाराजाय अंगेश्वराय निवेद्यताम् इति। ततः अग्रिमः श्लोकः पुनः मालिनी वृत्तौ एव वर्तते। लक्षणं तस्य अस्ति ननमययुतेयं मालिनी भोगिलोकैः। करीतुरगरथस्थैः पार्श्वकेतो पुरस्तात् मुदितनृपतिसिंहैः सिंहनादं कृतोऽद्य त्वरितमरिनिनादैरदुस्सहं लोकवीरः समरमधिगतार्थप्रस्थितो नागकेतुः। अस्य अन्वयः प्रदत्तः। आङ्ग्लभाषायां वदन्तु तस्य अर्थः। अद्य पार्थकेतु अस्य अर्थः आङ्ग्लभाषया।
Adya means now.
हम्म।
Partha Ketoho. Ketoho is
ध्वजः।
Dhwaja, right? So Arjunas, oh, it says, na, Arjunasya Dhwajaha Purastat meaning in front of, right? Or is it up?
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
Karitura Garathasthaihi.
करीतुरग रथस्थैः means
Something to do with his Ratha, but I have no idea what Karitura means.
करी means हाथी, गजः,
Okay.
तुरं गच्छति नाम अश्वः।
Oh. So in front of Arjuna's um, Ratha or Dhwaja,
हाँ,
there were Ashwas and Gajas.
there were kings who were sitting on the gaja, on turaga, and some of them were sitting on ratha. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Thaha means tishtati, it is
Oh,
sthaha.
stha dhatu. Okay.
Right? So this is the
Yeah.
adjective of those kings, Nrupati Simha. And they were Kari Turaga Rathasthaihi, those who were sitting on Kari, in the sense, Kari, why it is called Kari? Because Karam Asya Asti iti Kari. That elephant has Karam, Karam in the sense Hastaha, Karaha. Karaha Yasya Asti iti Kari iti Uchyate. So one who has trunk.
What is it? Oh, trunk. Okay.
Trunk is called hand only.
Okay.
That's why it is called Kari. So each word have particular meaning. Why they particularly using Turaga? Because Turam gacchati iti Turaga. Vegena gacchati iti Ashvaha. So one who moves fast. That is called Turaga.
Correct.
Ashvaha. One, those who are sitting on Turaga and those who are sitting on Rathaha, they did something. What they did? Simvanadaha kritaha. They just roared like a lion. But who, the main adject, Visheshya padam is Mudita Nrupati Simhaihi. Nrupati Simha. They are Nrupatis. And like what? They are like lions. Nrupati Simha. Purusha Simha. Purusharshabha iti vadamah khadu. तथैव पुरुषसिंहः नृसिंहः नृपतयः सिंहाः इव. They are like simha. Like simha, they look like simha or what? No, they doesn't look like a simha, but their parakrama is tulaniyah, like simha. They are parakrami like simha. Okay, nrupati simha. Which kind of nrupati simha? Mudita nrupati simha. And why they are mudita?
Happy, please.
Why they are happy? Because they are kshatriya. And kshatriya become happy when whenever they get chance to fight.
Opportunity to.
So that's how they are feeling. Oh, after a long time, we are getting chance to show our balam, show our virya, show our power. So that's how they are happy. And because of that happiness, they just roared like a lion. Like Bhishma
Right.
carried as Simhagarjana, Simhanadam, Simhanadah. गीतायाम् आगच्छति प्रथमे एव अध्याये खलु.
हाँ, I'll have to look at this look, but I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah. So I am also not finding that first word. Otherwise, I could have uttered that shloka. Okay.
Simhanadam vinadyochaihi. Something.
Simhanadam vinodyochai shankhan dadmau pratak pratak.
Pratham pratak. हाँ.
दुस्सहाय लोकवीरः अथवा दुस्सहः लोकवीरः दुस्सहं लोकवीरः लोकवीरः दुर्योधनः. He was not able to bear that sound. He was not able to hear everything because it is going on from other side, right? From opposite party.
Mm-hmm.
He is little bit worried. Then Arininadaihi Adhigatartah Nagaketuhu Tvaritam Samaram Prastitah. When they made, okay, now this is again little bit, when he went into the war, when Pandava, etc., roared like a lion. So this is how they are saying, but actually it happens when both sides, they both have in both Sainikas and the Sena is together, that time only war can happen. But here little bit they have changed. He said when there was a sound going on, that time he went. Who went? Nagaketuhu. Nagaketuhu Duryodhana. Tvaritam Samaram Prasthita. So he already, Raja Duryodhana has already gone. Now Senapati has to go. That's how to call Senapati that Bhatta has come. Now it looks clear weird, Raja has gone first. Then Senapati doesn't know what is going on and somebody is coming and asking. So it is little weird, but yeah, what to do? They has to build something for conversation and they cannot bring all Sena etc. on stage. So this is how it made little bit change. Okay. Okay. Samasah Parthasya Ketuhu. Partha Ketuhu means what? Parthasya Dhvajah. Arjunasya Dhvajasya Purastat. Tasya Purastat. In the front of Arjunasya Arjuna Dhvajah. In the front of the flag of Arjuna. Kari Turaga Rathastaihi. Stha Tishtati. From this dhatu, stha word comes, one who stands. So where they are standing, kari, standing or sitting, both way we can take. On kari they are not standing, they are sitting. On turaga they are sitting. On ratha they might be standing, might be sitting. So both way we can use. Right? Kari rathaga, kari turaga rathasthaihi. Nrupati simha iva becomes nrupati simha. Bahuvachanam kriyate chit nrupati simha. Muditashchate Nrupati Simhashcha iti karmadharayah. They are happy as well as they are Nrupati Simha. Simha ivanadaha. They made us noise. They roared like what? Simha. Upamana Purvapada. Arinam Ninadaha. Arininadaha. Taihi Arininadaihi. Adhigatartah. He understood, oh, there is a war going on, let me go there. This is how they come, Duryodhana come to know. Adhigataha artaha. Artaha nama prayojanam atra. Now he comes to know that I have to go because war has started. The purpose of war he understood. Nagaketuhu. Nagaha nama gajaha. Gajaha ketu. Gajaha ketuhu. Nagah eva ketuhu. Ketuhu nama chinnam yasya saha. Naga ketuhu. Okay. Now here there is again Sobhavokti Alankara, etc., etc. Sobhavokti Alankara I have already explained. So actually whenever you find a picturized description, that is called Sobhavokti, like Swakriya Rupa Varnanam, right? So now whenever they are saying in front of our eyes or in our mind, there is a picturesque description. Oh, there is a Aripaksha and they are making noise. The lions, they are sitting on Kari, Turaga, Ratha, etc. etc. That kind of picture. Here it is. Okay. Now, again, what happens? Parikramya avalokya cha. Now he just moves on stage a little bit and then he looks at here and there and he says, Aye, ayam angarajah samara parichhada parivrataha शल्यराज सहितः स्वभवनात् निष्क्रम्य इतः एव अभिवर्तते. Now what he is saying? Oh, no, he does parikrama little bit. He moves and he sees. Okay, ayam Maharaja. Now what happens in on stage? So na asamsuchitam patram praveshayat. There is a famous rule. You cannot or nobody can enter before giving the information or giving the introduction to the fellow. So na asamsuchitam patram praveshayat. So this is how he is giving introduction. Oh, there is someone. Who is that fellow? Angarajah, Maharajah Karnah. And what he is doing? Itaha eva abhivartati. He is coming here only. So that Bhattah is doing all these things. And which kind of Karna? Samara. Samara means Yuddha. Parichhada. Parichhada means Vasram. In the sense that what those warriors wear in that battlefield, it's called Samara Parichhada. That particular cloth, not cloth, but armor, which is used in war. So Parichhada, Samara Parichhada. Parivritaha covered. One who has covered his body, Samara Parichhada. Who?
Sorry, Parichhada is used for specifically for armor, or is it any clothes can be Parichhada? Here we are saying Samara Parichhada, therefore clothes of the war, or is it?
Parichhada means any vastra. Parichhada means parichhadyate. Avaranam kriyate iti parichhada. Okay. Any way it can be taken, but here particularly Samara Parichhada word has. That is how Parichhada Parivritaha. Shalyaraja Sahitaha, that Karna, Angaraja is entering along with whom? Shalyaraja Sahita. Shalyaraja Sahitaha, Shalyaraja Sahitaha. Kutaha ayati? Swabhavan.
From his bhavan.
Kramya. He is coming from his house. Swabhavana, his palace. Right? Nishkramya. Itaha eva abhivartate. Now, again, he is saying something. Bhoho. किन्नु खलु युद्धोत्सव प्रमुखस्य अदृष्ट पराक्रमस्य अथवा आदृष्ट पराक्रमस्य अभूतपूर्वः हृदय परितापः. Now what he is saying, that Bhatta, he is introducing Karna by saying he is coming, but how he is looking? Actually he is युद्धोत्सव प्रमुख. He is a सेनापति. युद्ध एव उत्सवः, तस्य युद्ध उत्सवस्य अयं प्रमुखः अस्ति. तस्य युद्धोत्सव प्रमुखस्य सेनापतेः अदृष्ट पराक्रमस्य, हिज पराक्रम इज सर्वैः दृष्टः अस्ति, अथवा अपूर्व पराक्रमी अयं वर्तते. अस्य सदृशः पराक्रमः कस्यापि नास्ति. मया पूर्वमेव महाभारतस्य प्रसंगे मया उक्तं, भीष्माचार्यः अन्तिमे क्षणे वदति कि भोः हे कर्ण, तव सदृशः वीरः पुरुषः मया अपि न दृष्टः. तो उनसे ही ये स्टेटमेंट आती है. अमरोपमम ऐसा बोलते हैं, है ना भीष्माचार्य. तो अदृष्ट पराक्रमस्य कर्णस्य अभूतपूर्वः हृदय परितापः. ही इज अ पराक्रमी, ही इज अ सेनापति, बट समथिंग डिफरेंस हैज बीन सीन टुडे बाय मी. अभूतपूर्वः हृदय परितापः. ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम हृदय परितापः. Okay, and that paritapa has not seen before any war, before this war. Okay, तो ये कभी देखा नहीं था, पहली बार ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है कि हृदय परिताप उसका दिख रहा है, चेहरे पे ही दिख रहा है कि बहुत शोक में है ना. तो for that he is again saying one shloka, and shloka is in Vasanta Tilaka. Ukta Vasanta Tilakat bhaja jagauga. That is Vasanta Tilka Vritta Lakshanam. अत्युग्र दीप्ति विशदः समरे ग्रगण्यः शौर्ये च सम्प्रति सशोकमुपैति धीमान् प्राप्ते निदाघ समये घनराशिरुद्धः सूर्यस्वभावरुचिमान्निव भाति कर्णः. Okay, now Anvay is very simple. Ati ugra deepti vishadah means what?
Ati means excessive. Ugra means warrior like, aggressive actually.
Aggressive.
Deepti would be light, right? Or illumination.
Tejah, tejena vishada.
Tejah. Ugra Tejah. So Vishadah, what does Vishadah mean?
Spashtah, spashtah.
Oh, okay.
So,
So excessive Teja, right?
So this is the adjective of Karna. Ati ugra
Right.
dipti vishadaha. Well, one who is shining. So this
Brilliance.
is samare shaurye cha agraganya.
So number one in battle valor.
And samare and shaurya.
So Samare Shaurya. So Samare would be in battle, right?
And Shaurya.
Shaurya means in
Parakram.
Shaurya is in Parakrama. He's number one in both.
In
is
both.
that right?
Correct. Shaurye cha, samare cha, agraganya. Dhiman.
Intelligent. Dhi for.
Correct. So these are the Visheshan of Karna.
Karna.
Ati ugra dipti vishadah, samare shaurye cha agraganyah, dhiman. What has happened to this Karna, this kind of Karna? Samprati sashokam upaiti. Upaiti gacchati athva agacchati. Upaiti gacchati. Let's take gacchati. Sashokam gacchati athva agacchati. Let's take agacchati. Upa eti. Eti means to go. Upa coming near. Okay. Okay. Now samprati sashokam. Sashokam shokena sahitam. Huh? Okay.
What does samprati mean?
Adhuna. Idanim.
Oh, right now. So we could say adya as well. Okay.
Adya. Adya is used for today as well as now.
Now. Okay.
And samprati means now. Samprati, idanim, adhuna. These words used for now. Okay, samprati sashokam upaiti. He is coming with, grief, shokam. Now, how he is looking? They are giving one upama. Nidhag samaye prapte sati ghanarashi avaruddha स्वभाव रुचिमान सूर्यः इव कर्णः विभाति. सूर्यः कीदृशः भवति? स्वभाव रुचिमान. Ruchiman, one who shines a lot through his, raises only. Swabhava Ruchiman. That is his nature. But Nidhaga Samaye, Yada Grishma Kalaha Agachati. Grishma Kale Kim Bhavati, Bahavaha Ghanaha, Megaha, Akashe Sanjataha Bhavanti, Utpannaha Bhavanti. Ghanarashi, Nam Ghana Samuhena, Mega Samuhena, Avaruddha Atva Ruddha.
Covered by.
Okay.
Surya is covered by clouds.
How actually Surya is shining in nature, but because of some obstacle, it doesn't shine. In the same way, this Karna is Swabhava Prakashaman, Diptiman, Dipti Vishadah. That is how he is saying, right? But because of some klesha, because of some reasons, today he is not shining. There is some. What will be that obstacle? He will be explaining later. Okay. So samasaha atyanta ugra diptihi ati ugra dipti atyugra diptihi atyanta ugra atyugra atyugra cha diptiश्च atyugra diptihi taya atyugra diptya vishadah spashtah Atyugra dipti vishadaha. So this is how samasa vigraha we can do. Sashokam iti avyabhavaha shokena sahitaha sashokam. Nidhagasya samaya nama kim nidhagasya nama grishmakalasya samaya. Grishmakalaha ityeva artha. Grishmasya samayaha. Ghanarashi avaruddhi. Ghananam rashi ghanarashihi. बहुवचनं क्रियते चेत् घनानां राशयः. ताभ्याम् अथवा ताभिः राशिभिः अवरुद्धः. घनराशि अवरुद्धः. स्वभावतः रुचिमान् तत्र किमपि नास्ति. अधुना सः भट्टः एवं वदति यावद् अपसर्पामि. Now he goes back. Okay, avasarpami. Now Raja is entering, king is entering, so he has to take back and then he moves. Now who is entering onto the stage Karna along with his Sarathi
Shalya.
are entering. Shalya. Correct. ततः प्रविशति यथोक्तरूपः कर्णः शल्यश्च. यथोक्तरूपः नाम कीदृशः? One who has wear that armor, one who is not shining today. That kind of Karna along with his Sarathi charioteer entering onto the stage now. Actually, not stage, on battlefield. Let's take battlefield. Karna. Now there is a shloka again from Karna's mouth. मातावन मम शर मार्ग लक्ष्य भूताः किं प्राप्ता क्षितिपतयः सजीवशेषाः कर्तव्यं रणशिरसि प्रियं कुरूणाम द्रष्टव्यो यदि सह भवेत् धनंजयो में. नाउ ही इज सेइंग मातावत अभुवन, ऐसा पूर्व कभी हुआ नहीं है. किम संप्राप्ताः मम शर मार्ग लक्ष्य भूताः क्षितिपतयः सजीवशेषाः. So sampraptaha, those who has appear on my the sharamarga laksha bhutaha, those who come in front of me, I just kill them. Means they never, when somebody has come in front of my arrows and they have still they have life, it has never happened. Means what? Whoever comes whoever opposed me, I have killed those people. I have killed those Kshitipati, those kings. So Sajiva Sheshaha kimapi na bhavanti, kepi na bhavanti. Okay. Sampraptaha mama shar marg laksha bhutaha kshitipatayah sajiva sheshaha iti tavan abhuvan na abhuvan iti ma abhuvan. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है. अधुना अहम किम कर्तुम इच्छामि? कुरुणाम प्रियम कर्तव्यम अद्य. कुरुणाम प्रियम कर्तव्यम मया. आई हैव टू डू सम गुड टू माय दुर्योधन एक्सेट्रा कुरुत्स. कुरुणाम प्रियम कर्तव्यम मया. अतः यदि मे रणशिरसि सह धनंजयः द्रष्टव्यः भवेत्. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड दैट धनंजय. सो सी, he only considers Arjuna as a enemy. Others are nobody in front of Karna. Only though I will fight with that Arjuna only, nobody else. So even he has made that promise, I will not kill anyone else rather than Arjuna. So he's firm on that vachana. Yadi me ranashirasi sah dhananjayah drashtavyah bhavet. Now I have to see that Dhananjaya, Arjuna. Now he says Shalyaraja to Shalyaraja, हे शल्यराज, यत्र असौ अर्जुनः तत्रैव चोद्यताम मे रथः. Wherever that Arjuna is standing, take my ratha in front of him. Right? So this is how. शरमार्ग लक्ष्य भूताः. शरस्य मार्गः शरमार्गः. तस्मिन् मार्गे लक्ष्य भूताः ये राजानः तान् राज्ञः अथवा क्षितिपतीन् अहम मारयामि. Generally he kills whoever oppose him. Right? Okay. Now next we will move. Shalya, Badham. He says, okay, I will take. He is not like a Shalya, like a Mahabharata Shalya. He will say, okay, whatever you say, I will take. Chodayati. He just acts like, okay, let me take that chariot in front. Karnaha, aho tu khalu. Then he says, oh, something, and he's saying, अन्योन्य शस्त्र विनिपात निकृतगात्र यौधाश्ववारण रथेषु महाहवेषु क्रुद्धान्तक प्रतिम विक्रमिणो ममापि वैधुर्यमापतति चेतसि युद्ध काले. Now he himself is saying, oh, युद्ध काले मम चेतसि वैधुर्यम आपतति. युद्ध काले ममापि चेतसि वैधुर्यम आपतति. I am feeling little low today. I don't know what has happened.
Oh, Vaidhurya means feeling low?
हाँ, वैधुर्यम means यत्र तेजः गतः वर्तते.
Okay, energy is lost.
हाँ, वैधुर्यम. So he is युद्ध काले, on this battlefield when war is about to begin, that time वैधुर्यम आपतति. Vaidhuryam, I will search for this if I'm not wrong. Vaidhurya. Okay, I have shared that book also along with you, right? Sometime we.
Yeah, I can open it, right.
Hmm.
So there is something interesting I noticed, sir. I mean, we will continue this, but so if you look at it, they're starting with the idea that Karna is not feeling the energy, he's not looking energetic. So
Mhm.
both physically and mentally, I'm guessing this is probably to do with his mental state, right?
Correct.
So, but if you look at Bhagavad Gita, that's exactly how it starts with Arjuna as well. So I mean, his reasons are different, but he's feeling the same way that I cannot fight.
Correct, correct, correct.
It's an interesting parallel.
Yes. So both
Mhm.
have same avastha that they are not able to stand. They are just finding Vaidhuryam only. But there is a difference.
Mm.
Now this is called Karna
Right,
Bharam. So see title.
right.
This is how
Correct.
title has been given. So Karna Bharam. There we will
Right.
see Arjuna Bharam. He has some
Right. Right.
mentality is same, but reasons are different,
Mm.
different.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So Vaidhuryam apatati. And he says,
Mm.
अन्योन्य शस्त्र विनिपात निकृंत गात्र योधा अश्ववारण रथेषु महाहवेषु क्रुद्ध अंतक प्रतिम विक्रमिणः. So now he is telling himself how he is महाहवेषु क्रुद्ध अंतक प्रतिम विक्रमिणः. He consider he considers himself as Vikrami and like what? अप्रतिम, like अंतक. अंतक मीन्स यमराजा के समान. और कैसा वाला यमराजा? क्रुद्ध अंतक. One who has, one who gets angry. That kind of yamaraja.
Uh,
And
mm.
I am like that kind of yamaraja. क्रुद्ध अंतक प्रतिम विक्रमिणः. I am the pratima of क्रुद्ध in क्रुद्ध किम यमः.
Raja.
I am like
Mm.
क्रुद्ध यमः. विक्रमी, पराक्रमी अहम. पुनः उच्यते एक
Mm.
मिनट. Okay, now that श्लोक only. अन्योन्य शस्त्र विनिपात निकृंत गात्र योधाश्व वारण रथेषु. नाउ दिस इज द पदम वन पदम. अन्योन्य शस्त्र विनिपात. अन्यः अन्यः शस्त्राणां विनिपातः शस्त्राणां पतनं. तेन शस्त्रपतनेन what has happened? निकृंत or निकृत, both way we can use. कृत means cut. So whose ang or part of body has been cut, or those the wounds etc. we say, right? Nikrunta gatra means
Okay.
kind of
Mm.
wound.
Injuries, huh?
Injuries. Not only
Okay.
me, but Yodha Ashwa Varana Ratheshu. This is how. Mahahaveshu. So this Mahahava, Ahava is called Yuddha. So in this battlefield, what happens? Anyonya Shastra Vinipata happens, and because of Anyonya Shastra Vinipata, what can happen? Nikranta cuts happen. Of who? What?
Okay.
Of what? Gatra, Yodha, Ashva, Varana. Varana means Gaja and Ratha. So this kind of things will happen or happens, generally happens in the war. In that
Mm.
Mahahaveshu, in that battle, mamapi vikraminah, mamapi kruddha antaka pratima vikraminah, adya vaidhuryam apatati. So this is how he is telling. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Now,
Mm.
ho kashtam. Again he says, पूर्वं कुन्त्यां समुत्पन्नः राधेय इति विश्रुतः युधिष्ठिरास्ते मे युधिष्ठिरादयस्ते मे यवीयांस्तु पांडवाः. So now again interesting, he says, पूर्वं कुन्त्यां समुत्पन्नः अस्मि. I am
Mm.
born from Kunti. मम जन्म
Right.
कुन्त्यां संजातः. अहं कुन्त्यां समुत्पन्नः अस्मि. किन्तु
Mm.
राधेय इति विश्रुतः.
Radha.
My misfortune. I have born
Mm.
in, great dynasty. But nobody was calling me Kaunteya. Everyone calls me Radheya. So this is how he is
Mm.
saying. अतः कुन्त्यां समुत्पन्नः अतः युधिष्ठिरादयः ते पांडवाः में यवीयांसः। यवीयांस मतलब वो मेरे छोटे भाई है। यवी
Ah.
यवीयान मतलब छोटा, यवीयांसः मतलब ये सारे मेरे छोटे भाई है ना।
Mm.
युधिष्ठिरादयः में यवीयांसः लघीयांसः। Okay, this is how he is telling. Here there is no much.
Interesting.
Then again he is saying. So first thing he's saying, Vaidhuryam apatati. I am not able. I am feeling low. I cannot find
Mm.
joyous for war. Why? The reason has given. I have born from Kunti, but people used to say me Radheya, Radheya, Dasi Putra, वगैरह what जो भी. And actually, I am standing opposite to my brothers only.
Oh,
They are not elder to me. They are
mm.
so what big brothers or elder brothers' job is, they has to take care of their,
The younger people. Mm.
yeah. But I am not able to do that. This is how he is
Mm.
Vaidhuryam apatati. He is feeling low. पुनः अयं अयं सकालक्रमलब्धशोभनो गुणप्रकर्षो दिवसोऽयम् आगतः निरर्थमस्त्रं च मया हि शिक्षितं पुनश्च मातुर्वचनेन वारितः. Interesting shloka again. Kramalabdha ayam sakalah. So I was waiting from long time to become a senapati. Not senapati, but I am waiting from long time to fight against someone. So that is the job of Kshatriya. So I was waiting, and that because of my punya, because of the punya of all samasti Kshatriya, we have got that war. Right? And Krama Labda Shobhanah Ayam Sakalah Asti. And now he is a Senapati. But Guna Prakarsha Ayam Sa Divasa Agataha. So now this day has come. But Maya Shikshitam Astram Nirastram Nirartham. Whatever I have learned, that Astra is going to be Nirartha. Why?
Mm.
Sharp. And
And
Punashcha
higher shrub.
हाँ पुनश्च मातुः वचनेन वारितः अस्मि and my mother has told don't fight or don't kill Pandavas. So now
Mm.
he is giving the hint that I was learning from Parshuramji, but because of some reason
Mm.
he has given curse to me. He has cursed to me, right? So up to 8 shloka we have seen, and within few seconds it will be ending. Okay, up to 8 shloka.
Sure.
Okay.
Very interesting, sir. Very interesting.
Okay, we'll do Shanti Patha. Om Purnamada
Purnamada
Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate
Purnamudachyate
Purnasya
Purnasya
Purnamadaya
Purnamedaya
Purnameva Vashishyate
Purnameva
Om
Vashishyate
Shanti Shanti